guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you the mini album that I created during my live class event. This was a Mother's Day occasion online crop. So basically it was a live class and we created this book together from start to finish. I also designed the digital collection exclusively for the event. So if you sign up for the event, you receive the paper collection as a freebie. Of course, you can use any collection that you would like to use, anything from your stash. And so yeah, so I'm gonna have that event link below. Now that the event is finished, I went ahead and created a cutting guide as well. So if you were to purchase the event, you have access to the replay of the live class and a cutting guide list as well. And I'm also including the digital collection on that, all together on one big file. So everything will be linked below, but now let's go ahead and take a look. I think this book turned out really cute. It took us probably about 4 hours and we're able to finish most of all of the pages. I just had to add some more paper on some of the inside pages, but I did give you measurements for pretty much everything, even the matting papers here. But over here in the cover, I am using this frame. Now this frame I had in my stash. I was gonna use it on another project, but I think I thought it would look beautiful here, and I'm just so happy that I used it for this project. So if you're wondering where I got this is actually from Michael's. I got it probably a few months ago, but I went ahead and removed the glass on the front and remove the back of the mirror or the frame, and then I used the paper collection to create a little template, so you can actually take this out here and cut a picture and then put that inside the frame there. So once I have a picture, I will just go ahead and glue it, and so it doesn't come out. But yeah, so some pretty lace from my stash. These flowers are from Prima. These are actually some leftover flowers from my coffee shop book. I had some leftover of the browns, mixed it with some pink, and I just love how that came out. The book measures 8 by 8 and the spine is 8 by 3.5, and that is the back. So yeah, so 4 signature pages, interactive elements, and let's take a look here. So on the inside cover, place for a picture, and then we have a pull down pocket. So this comes down, and then a little place here for a picture. This was actually left blank for journaling, but I went ahead and added this piece of paper that I had left over. But you can also journal in the pages. Some of the pages have a really light background, so you can use them to journal in here as well. And the way that I designed the collection, I did do a video before to kind of show you, but they're actually created landscape, so you can fold them in half as well and use them as journal pages. So I'll probably be making a Mother's Day journal as well using the collection. So this opens up like that, and then we have a fun little pop-up. Again, place for pictures, journal. You can add pictures on this side. This will fit 4 by 6 pictures there. On the next page, we have a beautiful image of the mom and the daughter, and then this opens up, and then this over here opens up, and you can put again 4 by 6 pictures, and you will still see some of the design paper. I love how these came out. Just a sweet little girl here. And then over here we have a gatefold page. Again, more of the beautiful images from the collection, and then place for a picture. And then I have here a trifold with a grandma reading a story, and then this is just plain here, but you can put 5 by 7s or 4 by 6 pictures in there. And again, the beauty of the digital paper, you can reprint as many as you need and add to the pages, which is what I did. I just finished up the inside of some of these pages here. Over here, this opens up like that, and again, place for a little bit of journaling, pictures over here, and I did collage two little leftover pieces there, but I think that looks cute, so I just wanted to use all my little scraps. Then this opens up like that. I did reuse the image because I figure I'll have the image here and I will put a picture on this side and have some of the same background. These slides up and then again place for picture, and I did collage two different backgrounds there, and that closes up. And then over here on the back, again, I love coordinating the paper. For each page I designed two different two designs, and then a coordinating background page as well. So this opens up like that. This is the coordinating background, I think, for this page. And then we have this that comes in and out of that pocket, but of course you can use the pocket to add more photo mats there as well. And then over here, this page opens up. We have a sweet mother and daughter here, and then we have a double sliding page at the center. So I added these little pull tabs so we can just simply pull that to the side and place for a picture, but also each one of these opens up. Oh, so this is the coordinating cardstock for that page. So yeah, so each one of these opens to the side, and I do have magnets that I added at the center, and then those magnets also magnetize at the center of this page here. And then I wanted all of that to kind of stay at the center, and then that just closes up like that. And then on the next page, this opens. I do have Velcro here, and this is a large pocket. And this opens up like that. Beautiful background here. And then this has another pull tab, pulls down, and we have another kind of like a 3D easel page here. So that pulls down. And then on the last page, this opens to the side, and we have place for pictures here. You can put 4x6s on each one of these sections. And so yeah, so that is the Mother's Day event project. The name of the collection is called Mother's Love. So I'm gonna have link below the event so you can have access to the class and the replay, and that will include the cutting guide and the paper collection as well. And I will also list the paper collection by itself on the website, so if you would like to have access to just the collection, I'm gonna have that link below. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to everyone who was part of the event, and I did receive some emails asking about or other events or giving more notice, so I do apologize. If you are signed up to my email mailing list from the website, you did get a little bit of a bigger heads up, so I apologize for not doing a video heads up, but I will be planning another live class event real soon, so stay tuned. And I want to thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.